Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your LinkedIn account using your iPhone. Whether you need a break from the app or just want to step away for a while, I've got you covered with an easy step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in. First of all, find the LinkedIn app on your home screen. Now open it. Once you are in the app, tap onto the profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on the settings gear icon. Now in the settings menu, you can see account preferences. Now tap on it. Now scroll all the way down. Here you can see the Hibernate account. Here you can find the option of Hibernate account. Now tap on it and simply tap onto Hibernate option, which is at the down left corner. By following these steps, you have now deactivated temporarily your LinkedIn app without deleting the app itself. And that's it. Your LinkedIn account is now deactivated temporarily. You won't appear in search results and people won't be able to view your profile until you reactivate it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.